The third principle of the safe system approach, humans are vulnerable, accepts that people have physical limits. Therefore, it is critical to design and operate a transportation system that accommodates physical human vulnerabilities.
When I think of the idea that humans are vulnerable, I mean, we're not superheroes, we're not invincible. And I think often both when we're walking down the street or we're behind the wheel of a vehicle, we tend to think that we are. And maybe not in a traditional sense, but we often think that other people see us, other people are looking out for us, other people will do what they're supposed to be doing.
When you talk about vulnerable road users, students just trying to get into school is probably the one that hits home the most for me. And so deploying a system, making sure that that system is up, making sure that time clocks are programmed appropriately to flash, it really works. And not only do the drivers see kids walking into school, but they see a flashing yellow beacon. And they don't see that yellow beacon all the time. They only see it at certain times a day. And it really does truly work.
Vulnerable road users consist of a wide population. I focus mainly on pedestrian and children for school zones, but there's other vulnerable road users out there, bicyclists, scooterists, motorcycles, and construction workers. Be very careful around construction zones, put down your phone, pay attention. If you reduce your speed by 10 miles an hour or more, you're gonna more or less double the likelihood that that vulnerable road user will survive if an impact occurs.